Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to disable memories flashback on Snapchat. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open your Snapchat app and log into your account. Then you have to click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Alright, so once you click on that, the next thing you have to do from here is to click on the settings icon at the top right corner. And then you have to scroll down until you see the privacy control section. And from the privacy control section, you will find the memories option right there. Click on the memories option. Alright, so yeah, you are going to see auto save my story snaps to memories. All right, click on that and click on don't auto save. All right, once that is selected, you will have the right to choose whether to save your memories or not. All right, so that's it guys on how you can disable memories flash on Snapchat. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips.